ni Kuya, nagkukulata ako. Nagkahanap ako ng pagpin. Tapos nakuha na yung yung notebook. Mama kayo, may kayo.
They have to be sugar-free too. Sugar-free Halloween treats. Who made this list? Oh, Heather's mom's organizing the party. I should have known that. Great. Well, what can I bring? See, it has to be gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, and sugar-free. Is there anything?
Ate. Tell baby. Kunwari nagsusulat ka.
Ikaw nga nagsusulat.
At kunwari nagsusulat ka. Ate, tingnan mo ito. Tama.
Huwag mo nga kausapin ay busy.
Three, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 40, 41, 40. Ay, 60.
Tigilan mo yan. Pag ayan, napunta yung dugo sa ulo mo.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100!
Wala ka na? Ba't isa lang?
Okay, guys. Wow! Guys, do you know my sleeping? Dahan the rest. Ma, video is amazing. Okay.
They're at the airport now. Get me a car! The kid was guilty and we let him go.
What are you making for the party tomorrow? Party? What party? For the Halloween party. I put the form on the counter last week. With all your other stuff?
ate.
Iiyak sila. Kumot, bigyan mo ako. Kumot. Daming ahon.
Mama, mama, mama.
Mama!
Picturean mo.
Ayoko na. Susumbong kita sa mama mo. Tandaan mo tong gabing to. Sa chat ko.
Sobrang in. Hindi pa lang ako nakabideo. Ay, hello ulit.
Hello.
Hi. Gato ka, hi. Patingnan mo sarili mo.
Pera mo ako.
Ate, wag mo ibang sa ano. Ate. Ate.
Pakita naman siya.